Vhaṅwe vhathu vhararu vhe vho huvhala kha tshiwo tsha muthuthubo wa lilori la u hwala gese vho lovha. Vhashumi vha mutakalo vha 12 na vhone vha kha mbalo ya vho lovhaho. Vhaṅwe vhathu vhaṱanu vha kha ḓi ilafhiwa vhuongeloni.
As I've indicated, we have now lost 40 people who have since passed on, and this number is inclusive of 12 health workers. 5 are still in various hospitals.
Musi sathu vha na muthu ane a khou dzhielwa vhukando zwi tshi kwama tshiwo tsha muthuthubo uyo, Mapholisa vho fhulufhedzisa uri huna vhane vha ḓo laṱiswa.
To date, we have obtained more than 40 witness statements, more than 40. But there are outstanding key exhibits which we feel that we need to get them to can assist us to finalize this investigation. One, it's a post-mortem report, and that one is due to the moving target, because as and when the pathologists are busy working on those things, it does happen that we lose another person, so they must keep on doing that. But that is not so much of a problem for us. Ourselves and the prosecutors, we can still continue while we are receiving those post-mortem reports as and when they've been finalized. The fire department report, it is key for this investigation, is still outstanding. We have liaised with City of Ekurhuleni that we do want that report so that it can be included there. 3, that Infinite Transport Company, we have requested a lot of documents there, including their statements and so forth. So they've said they are still consulting with their legal departments. As and when they are ready, they will give it to us. But that, it doesn't mean that we are going to wait indefinitely for them to supply us with this thing. Because we are working with the prosecutors, should they feel that there is unnecessary delay, they may also be summoned to can come and provide those documents to court.
Huna mushumo wo itwaho wa vusuludza vhuongelo ha Thambo he a tshinyadzwa nga muthuthubo uyo.
We can confirm that the construction work for the replacement of broken windows at the hospital, including the nurses' residence, has been completed. And I want to take this opportunity to thank the Department of Infrastructure Development, the Department of Health, for the cooperation of ensuring that we restore at least the basics, especially where our nurses reside. Some of the work is almost complete following delays because of the festive season break. But due to the extent of the damage, the casualty unit at the hospital remains closed.
Muvhuso wa vunḓu uri mushumo wa vusuludza vhuongelo u khou lavhelelwa u khunyelela dzivhegeni dzi ḓaho.